Welcome back to Twisted Metal Customs. So, in this episode, we are in the midst of retrieving a charger. So I'm just getting the wheels on, well, the old wheels off, and the other wheels on. It's been sitting in the dirt for quite some time, but as you can see, it's pretty straight. A few bits of rust at the back here, near where the bumper sits, but definitely restorable and very excited. Looks pretty tough as it is, I reckon, with the patina. It's pretty heavy patina, I know, but yeah. So I'm just in the midst of changing some tyres on that will roll, and actually there's two to pick up. Another one over there somewhere, but it's much worse condition. Storm coming in, very humid. Alright, have a look. I like where it's sitting, but it shouldn't be doing that. So it's a good look, but you can see it's sagging pretty bad on the other side. These both a normal height, but it looks like maybe that leaf has collapsed or been stretched or something, but it's still springy. But it's far lower than it should be. Starting to look like a car now, which is pretty cool. This is at Mr. Valiant's place. For you that know him, you know him. But yeah, what a beauty. I'm going to try to push it or pull it out of the way so it gets on the flat land over there. See if we can put some parts on it, get a bit more completed before we take it out of here. Alrighty, until then. As you can see, 15 minutes in and there's still a lot of stuff in this car. Gearboxes, exhaust, a couple of fuel tanks, maybe a block or an intake manifold, and dash. So yes, fair bit to go. Well, this is the end of the day. I've got heaps of parts together, cleaned out the car. I just sprayed a bit of WD-40 on the side there, getting that rust. I don't know, give it a bit of protection until I get it blasted. Starting to get all cleaned out, starting to get some pieces together for the front end, dash, no seats, that's right. Starting to look pretty good now. Yeah. Alrighty, until next time. Morning everyone. Today we've got the car trailer on, can't see it. Heading in to load up that charger, the VJ 1974. Yeah, got a few more parts to grab, put in there before we load it up. But hopefully today we should have it on the trailer and bring it home. I'll get back to you when we get there. Alrighty. Steering column in, bonnet on, everything's in, and we've got a motor in, 360 V8. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Drive this out of here.